step one in installing the super high cut skeleton arc and shim kit is to remove the bungee from the shroud. Once that's removed, we can remove both the front and rear rail screws. As you take the screws out, you can discard them as you'll be using the new ones in your kit. So once those screws are out, your existing rail should come off and you can set that aside and set your bungee aside because you're going to be using that again. You now take one of your super high cut skeleton arc shims and then take the new rail and put it on the top using these 3 points for alignment. Take one of your T-nuts from your kit and put it into the rear chin strap anchor. Align the anchor on the inside of the shell with the screw hole. Now take a screw from your new kit, place it through the rear rail hole, and tighten it up just so it's snug enough to hold on. You can now pull the front of the rail out and over to the side, and you'll see a T-slot. In that T-slot, you can put your bungee, hold it in place, take another screw from your kit, put it into the front screw hole, and secure it in place with a T-nut. Now that both screws are in place, check to make sure that they're tight. Pull on the NVG bungee to make sure it's snug and lock it back into the shroud. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side of the helmet. So we're going to remove the bungee from the shroud. Then we're going to take out front and rear rail screws. Discard the hardware. Going to put our rear T-nut into the chin strap anchor, keep it in place in line with the rear chin strap hole. Grab the rail itself, align it using the 3 pins. Grab the screw and secure it in place. Just snug enough so we can still lift up the front of the rail. So with the rear rail screw snug, we can lift this up and out of the way. We take our existing bungee, put that into the T-slot, hold it in place. Take our front screw, and secure that with a T-nut. Double check to make sure both the back and the front are nice and tight. Pull on the bungee to make sure it's secure and lock it into the shroud. You can now take off the mandible. You've added that scalability from our new Fast SF to your existing Fast helmet.